change and impact many lives. Now, one question I have as a young man, I'm actually athletically inclined, so I like to focus on my physique and so forth. So I'd like to know, besides the chicken abortion, which I have decided, which is AKA is eggs, that we most of the time on TV television they tell us that okay, eggs are about protein. Now we know that we didn't even know that what protein is. But now what can you recommend besides? I mean, so far you told us that it's the sea moss and the hemp seeds that are very good for the body. What else could you recommend to actually help me to sustain actually muscle growth or help me to sustain my athletic activity? And also, is there any way that I can become part of your, opinion all the time? What you said, and it's very, good. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so very much. You said that.
What do you want to say that you want to get a gold medal?
But that's good. That's good. About the protein thing and the enzymes and the vitamin, that never work and it's never going to work. What works are those things that are electrical. This is why I have demonstrated so many times things that I can do now that I couldn't do when I was in my 30s. And that was only due to the fact that I was taking what everybody else thinks is correct. Vitamins, enzymes, and proteins. And I drink a lot of soy. Soy is dangerous. Soy is most dangerous. Soy is more dangerous than meat. Yes. Soy has inorganic silica, which is going to destroy your cells. Soy does that. So you don't need to worry about that. Our compounds, every one of them, the basis of it is electricity. Some of them are high in iron because iron is magnetic. Iron is the only magnetic mineral. When you take iron, you automatically take all of the minerals, proportional balance. So yes, our compounds are not measured in kilograms. Our compounds are measured by the electrical composition that we gather. Human body moves. I can't move unless I'm electrical. So how could I drink something that is non-electrical? All of it has iron. Some of them has more than others, depending on what we're going to address. But yes, our compound has 102 minerals, which is going to address all